me, he never even get a chance to cool off properly before I brought him into the booth. First time I'm actually meeting you. I play your music, but I never met you yet. I have to tell you, so impressed with your performance. Your vocals are almost like the record. It's so refreshing to see a young artist perform so well on stage. How long have you been honing your craft? Meleku, no Skorcha.
Well, from back in the days of Meleku, you know what I mean? It's about 4 years back. We just start the journey like any normal other artist, you know what I mean? And we just throw ourselves out there. You see me? And then we just learn the craft and I just so it just build up, you know what I mean? But about 4 years now I do it and we're going to continue to do it. Never stop. Fully scorching.
Let me ask you this. Why did you decide to change your name from Meleku to Skorcha?
Well, you know what the saying, you know? When you're a boy, you're the boy things, and when you're a man, you put away childish things, you see it. So I really just that one, you know what I mean? I just feel like Meleku was a time in my life where I was much more younger and just starting, you know what I mean? As I said, I just threw myself out there in music and, you know, over the years we've been able to do the craft, as you can see. I would just know so we're up on a level right now. So we know the fire now gonna stop, so we just decide to have to rebrand it. Skorcha, you know? Fully flammable.
Let me ask you this. Everybody know who your father is. You feel pressured to excel in your craft because of who your dad is?
Well, you know, I used to feel pressured, you know what I mean? As I say, but that's why we name Skorcha now, because at the same fire I got burner, you carrying from the fire. So I'm not scared right now, I'm ready.